have to do it alone. But hey, if it makes her happy to do it all the time, I wouldn't stop her. This is where it takes a turn for the weird. I keep all of my socks and underwear in the bottom drawer of my dresser. I also go to the gym frequently, so I always keep a good supply of clean socks ready to go. I never kept count, but I know just by a visual glance that I have several pairs. This morning, when I went to grab a fresh pair for the gym, I noticed that there were several dress socks but no gym socks. Again, not weird, they must have been in the laundry. I went to check the laundry basket and it was empty. So I checked the washing machine and dryer, both were empty. I couldn't figure out where all of my gym socks had gone. Socks. Wrong thing to say. She immediately started crying, like full on sobbing. At this